龜島係泰國人超級推薦嘅絕美海島啊！你話布吉、蘇梅島，相信大家都聽得多啦。但係龜島呢個名，我諗成日去泰國旅行嘅香港人都未必有太大認識。但其實龜島咧擁有非常清澈嘅海水同埋豐富嘅海洋生態，喺潛水界更加係享負盛名嘅。咁今日嘅片呢，就先同大家睇睇呢度好受本地人推崇嘅酒店住宿啦。去片言。สวัสดีค่ะทุกคน ฉันชื่อแมวค่ะ我哋第一晚嘅酒店喺呢度啊好斜啊呢條啲路嚟到海島就係咁啦好咦真係有兩隻龜喺門口嘅因為呢個係龜島上得嚟啦！呢個就係餐廳位置啦。哇，好寧靜。不過今日天氣唔好。哇，嗰邊嘅水。天氣好靚水。係我夢寐以求嘅感覺。Wow, magic!
What is it?
Butterfly pea. Ah! Oh, so nice! Wow!
Let's play.
Our magician pop.
Yeah.
Okay, the next magician. Yeah. 呢間係我 friend 間房，喺呢度上去。哇！睇呢個樓梯咁闊，睇下先。天外有天。哇！準備好未？3、2、1。哇！好浪漫嘅小房間。最衰就係天氣唔好啦。如果唔係呢度望出去，哇，正到啊！但是粉毒了。然後出邊咧有個小露台咁樣嘅。好超啊！於是呢個時候，你會問：咁樣上下層成間木屋嘅話，究竟收幾多錢呢？1000、2000、3000，唔係，都唔係。其實大概800蚊港紙就可以租到啦。不過啲屋就數量有限，數完即止啦。呢度隔離呢？哦，係咁樣嘅，就去到我哋間房，簡單啲嘅。咁呢度就入嚟咧，呢度加咗床。咁樣啦，都唔錯啊！今日係一個暴風雨嘅日子，然後我哋而家咧去食嘢先。Hello。咁因為喺山頭同埋又落雨啦，咁我哋就直接喺返酒店呢個接待大廳呢間餐廳度食泰菜啦。
A lot of
rice is it?
because they consider as a herb, right? And southern people they like herbs a lot.
呢個係我哋第一晚嘅晚餐，有標準嘅菠蘿炒飯 ，and 呢啲已經食咗一半啦。冬陰功 with
One is really good.
clear soup, right?
How about the
น้ำใส
Great.
น้ำใสต้มยำกุ้งน้ำใส
Why don't you like vegetable?
ข้าวผัดสาวรส
It's good for your health.
It's good health, Grace. Ooh. Good morning, ข้าวเจ้า
พี่
อ๋อ called chop
ชายนะชอบ
chop
CHO
เมื่อเช้าไปรับลูกชายที่เรือนนอนเขากระโดดขึ้นรถตามไป
Chop is what? Luck.
Yeah.
Luck. Chop tea. I know. Chop tea. This is our breakfast. What's your set? Omelette. 第二朝嘅早餐都包埋㗎。大家好啊 ！Hi. Say hi, guys. We are at the balcony. And you see the view is still good. No, it's super windy, and we're trying to take some selfies here. And there's a swing. You dance quite hard here. But I haven't practiced the dance yet, and because we are saying that we should dance beside the beach, but you know it's so windy and it's damn raining. It's getting hot. Hello 大家，我呢而家去到第二間酒店，嚟同大家介紹下先，都冇認真咁講下，成日喺度落雨咯，嚟到就係眼前呢一間啦，係南歸酒店 Blue Dao， 跟住呢個門口呢，有間 pastry 啊，早餐就喺呢度食啦，聽朝，跟住我哋入去。佢就係咧望住間房就直情對住個海灘咁樣嘅，轉頭再影下。哇！就係咁樣，一返到房咧，又開始滂沱大雨。而到最尾，我發現原來係冇影到房間入邊嘅片俾大家睇。唔緊要嘅，呢度就補返啲靚相先。而我今次 book 嘅呢個房型呢，就係一打開露台門就有呢個超級大嘅網床，然後一跳就喺沙灘㗎啦。咁價錢嘅話就係大概1600、1700蚊港紙一晚嘅。酒店嘅早餐有咩食呢？Good morning, Kojiao. What's your breakfast again?
avocado smash.
Avocado smash. You see, she got lots of cheese again. Good girl. Oh, and the Thai touch. Yeah. Yogurt. Croissant. And we have a good sea view today. Yeah. Bye. สวัสดีค่ะ โอเคบ๊ายบายบ๊ายบาย而家回程啦，最後記錄一下呢個大晴天同呢個清澈嘅水。同蘇梅島嗰邊一樣，又係全部西方人。咦？回程咁快走？梗係唔係啦！龜島之旅仲會有下集㗎，記住收睇啦！2, 3 Are you ready?